Building a greenhouse inexpensively is not only possible, it can be a fun, rewarding project that supports sustainable gardening and food production. To start, choose a simple design like a hoop house or A-frame structure, which requires fewer materials and tools than more complex greenhouses. These designs can be built using affordable, easy-to-find materials such as PVC pipes, rebar, wood, and clear polyethylene plastic sheeting. Begin by selecting a sunny, well-drained location with enough space for your greenhouse. The frame can be constructed using flexible PVC pipes secured into short sections of rebar hammered into the ground, forming arches that create the skeleton of the structure. If you prefer a more rigid frame, use repurposed lumber or pallets, many of which are available for free or at a low cost from local businesses or construction sites. Once the frame is built, cover it with UV-resistant plastic sheeting, which is both durable and cost-effective. Secure the plastic tightly to the frame with clamps or staples, ensuring that it is sealed well to retain heat and protect plants from the elements. Ventilation is crucial, so consider adding roll-up sides or windows using zippers or Velcro strips for easy access and airflow. For the foundation, you don't need a concrete slab. Use gravel, cinder blocks, or even recycled bricks to create a level base that allows for good drainage and insulation. Inside the greenhouse, keep costs low by using recycled shelving, buckets, or even old furniture to organize plants and tools. Plastic containers, egg cartons, or milk jugs can serve as seed starters or watering tools. To further cut costs and improve efficiency, consider incorporating passive solar techniques, such as placing black-painted containers of water inside the greenhouse to absorb heat during the day and release it at night. You can also use bubble wrap as an inexpensive insulator to help maintain temperature in colder months. Rainwater collection systems made from recycled barrels or large containers are another eco-friendly and cost-saving addition. Lighting and heating can be minimized or even eliminated by carefully orienting the greenhouse to maximize sunlight, especially during winter. If supplemental heat is necessary, small solar-powered heaters or composting systems that generate warmth are budget-friendly alternatives to electric systems. Additionally, seek out community resources such as gardening clubs, online forums, or local workshops, which often share materials, tools, and expertise freely, or for a small fee. Overall, the key to building a greenhouse inexpensively lies in creativity, resourcefulness, and thoughtful planning. By repurposing materials, choosing a simple yet effective design, and incorporating sustainable practices, you can create a productive greenhouse for a fraction of the typical cost. Not only will you save money, but you'll also gain a valuable space to grow your own food, extend your growing season, and enjoy the many benefits of gardening year-round.